we're back out here at this secret bass pond that's absolutely stacked with bass.
We gotta tie out. Go ahead.
Get me hooked, huh? This is a good one, dude. Nice, man. He didn't choke it, thank God. Fatty. Got him.
They're like and white. Oh yeah, that's where I got on.
Yeah. That rainbow chatterbait with the white tracer. Yeehaw! On the ground. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Easy, buddy. Easy, dude. Oh. Almost hooking my boots there, y'all. They're biting. Okay. There you go. That's that little spinner bait. Oh. We all. Oh shit. Let's let him go. Hey, another one. Got that rainbow sherbet chatterbait, the white tracer. Oh, let some of that line out. There you go. Boy, this is like the ice cream shop out here today. That rainbow sherbet on their butts. Adios. Hey, whoa. Hold on, buddy. Hold on, let me get you out of there. Yeah, he did. Fuck him. He's moving me pretty good too. He's all right. Okay. Whoa. Adios. Ain't getting off this time. Another good one. Hey, hold on now, buddy. Hey, whoa. Come on now. He's gonna release himself. He's gonna release himself, isn't he? Whoa! Oh, that's how you do me? And another one. We're cracking them, y'all. This is a nice pond. Just loaded. Oop. Almost hooked myself there. God damn. Here we go. Yeah, he's got some good stripes on him. There we go. Yeah, oh boy, the biggest one of the day. This is a tanker right here. Not, oh shit, it's a damn mouth is. Jesus. Looked like a freaking 3.5, 4 pounder at first. Oh. Oh, popped a willy on the way out. He's on one. Oh.
He'll start catching them slags. Oh, that's a nice one. Is it a bass?
Oh, yeah. This is on my light rod. Hey, look, what I tell you, I switched up that, I put that little jig. Fluorescent green, hot pink head. As soon as I put the jig on, and I literally jigged it a little bit. Damn, this is a fat little sucker. Instantly, huh?
Before you got here, we literally threw a white and black blue chatterbait right next to each other.
That's a wrap.